Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you select the Smudge tool, which is one of the focus tools, and click and drag within an image, the effect produced is similar to the effect of dragging a finger through wet paint. The tool picks up the color of the place at which you click and then pushes that color through the rest of the stroke as you drag. To do this, select the Smudge tool from the toolbox as well as the Tool Options bar. It shares a spot on the toolbox with the Blur and Sharpen tools. In the Tool Options bar, set the brush stroke and other brush options as desired. You can set the blending mode, brush, size, and strength from the drop-downs and sliders that are available. You can check the Sample All Layers checkbox to select using the combined color value from all layers. If unchecked, it will only smudge the color from the currently visible layer. You can check the Finger Painting checkbox to smudge using the selected foreground color at the beginning of each stroke. If deselected, the tool will use the color under the pointer at the beginning of the stroke instead. After setting your options, click and drag in the image to smudge the paint where you click and drag.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.